What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Poco M3 Pro. Everything which you need to know about this phone and also about the pricing, specs, availability and the camera module, display, everything you need to about this phone. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So very first thing, let's start off with the specification of the Poco M3 Pro. It will come with a 6.5 inch of Full HD plus LCD display with a dot display technology, and moreover it will also feature a dynamic switch to 90Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness up to 500 nits. On the selfie camera, the display will have a sponge hole selfie camera which will be of 8 megapixels. And on the back side of the triple camera setup, it will feature a 48 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.79. It will also feature a 2 camera macro camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. Now under the hood, the Poco M3 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700U processor, and which is same as the Realme 8. So if we talk about the storage, then it will come with the 6 plus 64 gigabytes as a base storage, and it will also feature a 6 plus 128 variant. The phone will be a 5G smartphone as the MediaTek Dimensity 700 is a 5G processor, and it will also pack a 5000 mAh battery with a 2 days of battery life and also a fast charging of 18 watts. The device will run on the Android 11 based on MIUI 12 for Poco out of the box, and it will also include the NFC, GPS, and the phone will also retain a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the USB charging side, it will have a Type-C charging. Now the moment you are all were waiting for the pricing of the Poco M3 Pro. The Poco M3 Pro retail box has been showed some few sites that it will cost around 17,000 rupees on the box, but we can be sure that the box prices are always higher when compared to the actual launch prices of the phone. So we can expect this phone to be priced around 14 to 15,000 rupees, as the same processor smartphone Realme 8 5G is also a 14,000 rupees phone. So we can expect this phone to be priced around 13 to 15,000 rupees. Neither if the phone goes lower than the 14,000 rupees, then it's an absolute buy, and if it goes above the 15,000 rupees, then the Realme 8 5G is always a better option which you can go for. So if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So